NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Award for Residential Innovations in Roofing Project to D. Bassett Roofing and Renovation. A Golden Hammer Award for Residential Innovations in Roofing Projects goes to D. Bassett Roofing and Renovation for their work on Fordyce Project. With pitches ranging from 12 and 12 to 18 and 12 and premium landscape design, extensive site preparation was critical. The team installed 165 squares of new CertainTeed Grand Manor roofing system with open metal valleys and solar roof vents. Custom copper work featured diamond-cut panels, individually fabricated for the narrowing 50-foot turret, along with new finials, lightning protection, gutters, and downspouts. Additionally, a pergola and pool pump house were also re-roofed to complete the project. Special thanks to team members Ramon Reyes, Felix Gutierrez, Abelino Martinez, Alejandro Santillan, Salvador Santillan, Bobby Burke with QXO, and Roger Helmick with R&G Claims Consultants. Congratulations to the Residential Innovations in Roofing Project winners.